Hi there, this is Christian, and this is my Weebly site. Here on the home page, you can see what I wrote about myself, a little about myself. I am describing myself in the bottom right corner. In the biography page, I tell a longer detail of myself and what I want to teach and what I hope to accomplish and do after college. This is my word art assignment that we did at the beginning of the course. And so there's that. This is my Excel assignment that we also started a few weeks ago, that I completed and added in here. This is my classroom uh, uh, common curriculum. I have two PowerPoints for this. One of them, the other one was based off a Common Core class and how I would build an assignment and lesson plan. Here we'll dive into my Zoonal my teacher teaching page. I have the URL is a hyperlink as well as the word Zoonal, and we'll go right into that. I specifically made it for U.S. history and government for high school, grade 12. Welcome to exploring the foundation of early American government, historical events and figures, curriculums under social studies. The theme I chose from the entire page is centered around the American Revolution, because that's where I feel like everything started, where the foundation of our country started. Here I have a small detail of what's to come. I built a lot of tasks for this assignment, such as students needing to read the week's PowerPoints, reading, highlighting, reviewing chapters in the book to help them build understanding of what I'm teaching, answering questions at the end of the chapters and responding to one of them in an essay format online. And the group work is very interchangeable because they have to watch the video and read 3 biographies and do an essay on which figure was most significant in the American Revolution of Independence. Here's a further explanation of it, as well as the web links to the documentary and 3 biographies. I have it evaluated. People who do little to no work get the worst grade. People who do some work still get a bad grade. People who do most of the work get a decent grade, and students who do all the work honestly get a good grade. I conclude by congratulating them, and if they want to do some more research, I have links below for them to watch and read. And here in my teachers page, I talk about what WebQuest does and my advice for future teachers and current teachers about how they can use it to teach their classes. Idaho Core Standards is Goal 1.1 to build an understanding of the cultural and societal developments of the U.S. 9 through 12 high school, analyze important events, individuals responsible for bringing about political changes in the United States. Here are my article credits, video credits, and that is my Weebly and my Zuno page. Thank you very much for watching.